Grade 4 Module Electro 101 Project 2 The Darkness Detector. Introduction. What is a light dependent resistor? A light dependent resistor is a component in the electronic kit that changes its resistance in accordance to the intensity of light falling on it. NPN transistor is an electronic component designed to function either as an amplifier or a switch. It has three parts, namely base, collector and emitter. Base, controlling agent for large supply of power; collector, large voltage supplier; and emitter, output for the transistor. For example, the base is the faucet that controls the flow of water, the collector is the water supply, and the emitter is the mouth of the tap from which the water comes out. So today you will make a basic circuit that can detect darkness, LDR. Grade 4 Project 2 The Darkness Detector. So here we will pick a red LED for the breadboard, or we can take any other color LED also. So this is my breadboard. I have already attached this power supply module, and now I am attaching a red LED to it. Next step is pick up an LDR from your group kit. So this is LDR. This one is LDR. It has two pins. We will attach this LDR to the breadboard, just like shown in the picture. Next step is connect the positive terminal of the LED to the positive rail of the breadboard via 470 ohm resistor. So here we will use 470 ohm resistor. This is a packet of 470 ohm resistor. We will connect it with the help of the jumper wire. This way we will connect. And with the help of this jumper wire, we will connect it to the positive trail of the breadboard. So this red strip is the positive trail of the breadboard. Next step is pick up a BC547 NPN transistor, connect the base of the transistor which is at the pin 2 to the LDR. So this is NPN transistor. Base means it has 3 pins. This transistor has 3 pins, and base means the middle pin, which has to be connected to the second pin of the LDR. Next step is now place a 100k ohm resistor on the breadboard, connecting to the base of the NPN transistor. So here we will use another resistor which is of 100k ohm, and we will connect it to the base, means is the third pin of the resistor of the transistor. Just like this. Next step is connect the negative terminal of the LED to the collector of the NPN transistor. Collector means first pin of the NPN transistor. We will connect it with the negative side of the LED. So with the help of the jumper wire, we can connect both of them. Next step is connect the negative trail of the breadboard to the LDR. So again we'll use jumper wire to connect both the things, negative side of the breadboard to the LDR. Next step is Connect the 100k ohm resistor to the positive rail of the breadboard. So we'll connect 100k ohm resistor with the positive rail. So how we will connect it? We'll connect it with the help of the jumper wire. Next step is BC 549 NPN transistor will connect it with the negative side this way. Emitter means third pin with the negative side. Next step is, now we have to connect the battery. We have to power up the breadboard by connecting 9 volt battery. And what we will do, close the LDR with the finger and it will work. Here I am powering up this breadboard. Now see, when I am giving it some darkness, the LED is glowing up. When I am hiding this LDR with my finger or giving it darkness, it is glowing. See, so this is a darkness detector. It is detecting the darkness and the LED is glowing up. Logbook question and answers. Question 1. What is the purpose of using LDR here? Answer is, LDR is able to detect the darkness. Question 2. How does an LDR work? Research if required. Answer, its resistance changes in accordance with the light that flows on it. Question 3. Attempt to draw the diagram of the circuit that you experimented in this project. You have to do this answer by yourself. Question 4. What are the 3 pins of a BC547 NPN transistor? Answer is, the 3 pins are base, collector and emitter. Question 5. Can you think of some other real-time applications of such circuit? Answer is, night lamp in rooms and buildings.